how to save someone's Snapchat story without them knowing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can save someone's Snapchat story without them knowing. So unfortunately, Snapchat does not allow you to save other people's story without them knowing. So whenever you actually take a screenshot or save the chat, they will be notified that you've actually saved their Snapchat chats or story whatsoever. However, there are some alternative method which you can give it a try. Now first thing what you can do is you can use a professional screenshot tool, or else you can also use another device to take a photo on the Snapchat, and in that way the person will not be notified about it. And sometimes, but this is not actually a reliable method. However, if you wish to save someone else's story, then what you can do is, first thing what you can do is go to their Snapchat story. So after that, what you can do is just load the Snapchat story, and after that what you need to do is you need to enable your flight mode. And once you've done that, you need to take a screenshot. As soon as you've done that, then you need to exit out of your Snapchat, and then you need to clear your browser, your history and all that. And along with that, you need to log out of your account, and after that you need to re-log in into your account, and in that way you'll be able to save someone else's Snapchat story without them knowing. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.